So Johnny, kom ons praat gou-gou oor die afgelope 34 dae in skole rugby in Suid-Afrika. Weer daar's 'n afseisoen en 'n voorseisoensprogram ensovoorts, maar die wedstryde het 34 dae terug begin. Ons by Blindside en ons is so bevoorreg en geseënd regtig, en ons wil vir elke kyker daar buite sê, ons is so dankbaar vir wat julle doen. Dankie dat julle ons volg, dankie dat julle na ons kyk. Ons het in die afgelope 30 dae het ons 2.27 miljoen mense se oë op ons program gehad. Of dit nou op ons kort video's is, of dit nou op ons episodes is op YouTube. Die mense volg dit en ons is dankbaar, ons kan vir hulle iets bring wat hulle regtig in belang stel. Ons is dankbaar, ons vra die regte vrae, ons is dankbaar, ons vra die regte mense die regte vrae. Ons is dankbaar vir die skole en die seuns wat bereid is om met ons te gesels en hulle harte oop te maak. En selfs hulle kontak ons en is dankbaar en vra wanneer kan hulle weer met ons gesels, en dis regtig vir ons 'n besondere voorreg om te doen wat ons doen. Maar as ons kyk na dit, vat Blindside uit die equation uit. As jy kyk na dit in terme van nommers, Johnny, ons het bespiegel laas jaar dat daar op enige gegewe saterdag tussen 3 en 4 miljoen ouers, ondersteuners ensovoorts langs rugbyvelde reg oor hierdie land staan. En ek wens ons kan almal vir julle wys. Ek hoop ons kom eendag by daai begroting uit, maar dis absoluut fantasties wat in skoolrugby gebeur om daai gemeenskappe bymekaar te bring, want dis reg wat jy net gesê, Johnny, is gemeenskappe wat mekaar ontmoet, leer ken, vriendskappe maak, wat die land se gemeenskappe eintlik nader mekaar bring. Ons staan op die voorhand van Wilde Klawer. Een van die, as indien nie die grootste rugby toernooi vir hoërskole in die land nie. En Absa Wilde Klawer bring dit nou al vir hoeveel jare. En dit net soos Noordsuid baie klein begin, maar met 'n klomp mense se harte wat dieselfde is. En Johnny, as die eerste 32 dae enigstens 'n teken is van wat vir die volgende 30 dae kan gebeur, kan ek nou al vir julle sê, asseblief hou die platform dop, dit gaan ontplof. Hier is soveel fantastiese goed wat na ons kant toe gekom het, danksy almal wat belangstel, en ons gaan vir julle net meer en meer bring as gevolg daarvan. Ons is regtig dankbaar daarvoor.
Look, let's talk about the narrative of school sport. It's merely a vehicle to unite our nation. That's what's busy happening. 100%. Yes, there's games getting played on weekends, but it's all about what happens off the field, next to the field. Wille Klawer, can you just imagine the financial ejection that Kimberley will get? So, some people might call it upsets. You know, we've had a couple of upsets this year. It depends on how you look at it. Why I'm so glad that we've done the off-season last year. We started Blindside in August of last year, and we went to visit the Paul Gyms and the Office and the Maritzburg colleges and the Westvilles and the Durban High Schools and the Stellenbergs and the Monas. And I want to invite it's still on YouTube. Our content's not gone anywhere. You know, I think the relativity lies in going to YouTube, watching the episode that we had with Stellenberg and watching the episode we had with Monas. And so all the other schools, because in that episode lies the DNA of what the part and parcel of the planning was to execute this year. I mean, but I must tell you, looking at 30 days, 2.3 million views on our platform, it's not because we're smart or intellectual. It shows you how big this platform is. We're extremely grateful and we're humbled at the same time because, let's be honest, Tace, there is not a platform in South Africa that's had that views. In the last 30 days. We're going to set up studio at Wille Klawer, a proper studio like we've done at North South and like we've done at Pretoria Boys, the 125th celebration. A proper studio. We invite all the listeners. Come have a cup of coffee with us. Come have a coolie with us. We're going to be there. We're going to bring you all the games. It's going to be a fantastic tournament. If what happened the past 30 days is an indication of what's going to happen, because there's serious games being played.
We'll go through that as well.
At Wille Klawer. What Blindside is trying to achieve. We want to inform, we want to excite, and we want to educate. We do not stand here in the name of a specific school or schools. We are standing here in the name of schoolboy rugby.
Yeah.
And we give you our word as part of our ethos and core ideology that we will bring you which is allowable within our budget to bring you as much content to really get you as community to get closer together.